This is how long it takes to get anywhere from this house. 1 minute away is Horizon Park, featuring a playground and splash pad. 2 minutes away is the amazing Minshew Elementary School, located right in the neighborhood. If you're not sold on this location yet, one of the most charming downtown squares in Texas is located just 10 minutes away, with highly rated dining, beautiful boutiques. Who wouldn't want to live here? When your home is this close to everything, you're not just buying a house, you're buying lifestyle and convenience.